Mendix is transforming how industrial companies build and deploy agentic applications. Today, we're exploring how AI-powered agents are reshaping the industrial ecosystem, helping teams move faster and smarter than ever before. Agentic AI moves us beyond manual handoffs. Instead of teams passing information back and forth by hand, autonomous agents can solve problems and collaborate directly, closing gaps that used to slow everything down. And because these agents are built for domain experts, they empower the people who know the work best to guide and shape how AI operates within their systems. Mendix's latest update introduces powerful new AI capabilities. An agent builder kit lets teams create custom agents suited to their exact needs. Workflow orchestration ties these agents together into seamless processes. A model context protocol ensures agents share consistent, structured understanding of their environment. And built-in AI assistance supports developers every step of the way. At the heart of the industrial ecosystem is the digital thread, the connective tissue linking data across tools and systems. Mendix orchestrates this flow, giving agentic AI a unified business view so agents can act with full context instead of fragmented information. Of course, agentic AI comes with real challenges. There's the upfront investment required to get started, a skill gap as teams learn to work alongside autonomous agents, and important questions around accountability and ethics that every organization must address thoughtfully. So what does this look like in practice? Autonomous digital teammates are already driving real value for manufacturers. Predictive maintenance catches equipment issues before they become costly failures. Non-convergence detection flags design or process issues early. And supply chain resilience helps manufacturers adapt quickly when conditions change. These digital teammates also support design optimization, refining products and processes based on real data, and data protection, keeping sensitive industrial information secure as agents operate across systems. Ready to see what agentic AI can do for your organization? Reach out to Applied CAX today to learn how we can help you bring these capabilities to life.